स्टूडेंट बनकर आलिया भट्ट ने एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में एंट्री की, अपने एक्टिंग का हुनर दिखाया, कई सारी फिल्में की, अलग अलग किरदार निभाए, लेकिन अब उन्होंने शर्माना छोड़ दिया है क्योंकि अब वो एक्टर से प्रोड्यूसर जो बनने जा रही हैं और लेकर आ रही हैं अपनी फिल्म डोंट बी शाय। और ये देखकर करण जौहर बेहद खुश हैं क्योंकि आलिया भट्ट उन्हीं की तो स्टूडेंट रही हैं, और स्टूडेंट ऐसी कि इन्होंने फिल्म का नाम तो बता दिया लेकिन कलाकारों से पर्दा नहीं हटाया।
Oh, okay, Alia. From student to producer, congratulations on this supremely exciting collaboration with Prime Video for Don't Be Shy. So Don't Be Shy. Tell us about it.
This is a very big moment for us because, we're a small but very passionate, very new production company, Eternal Sunshine Productions. And we, Shaheen and I, very early on, when we started out, decided that we would like to give as much sunshine to the movies that the movies have given to us. And Don't Be Shy is a film that we literally cannot wait for the audience to see, and it would not have been possible without our partners, Vikesh from Chalkboard and our executive producer, Ankita. So thank you so much. And yeah, I'm not shy, I've spoken quite a bit.
Yeah, when Shriti Mukherjee, the director of Don't Be Shy, came to us with this idea, we fell in love with it immediately. It was exactly the kind of fresh, vibrant storytelling that we were hoping to bring to life. And yeah, we're just very, very proud of this film, and we're so happy that Shriti trusted us with this.
Well, that's why we can't wait to have her join us right here on this stage. And I have personal love, affection, and history with her as well. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming the debutante director of Don't Be Shy, Shriti Mukherjee. I know Shriti because she was my core team and my really creative support system on Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. And the reason why she lost all that weight is because she worked on Brahmastra for 7 years. And she's still in that, post kind of trauma mode, right? So, okay, we have all our sympathies with you, sweetheart. We promise that part 2 will not take 7 years. All right, so we have the producers and the director here. Who is in the film?
Actors?
That's lovely. With AI, you never know, but very reassuring to hear that. What I meant was, who are the actors?
Okay, so these actors are making their debut.
All right.
And we also made our debut once upon a time.
All right, okay.
I mean, they're performers.
Yeah.
Just like perfect for a coming-of-age romantic film like this one.
It's all wonderful. And I'd love to take this chat, post the show, but I see where we're going in circles a little bit, like thoda gol gol like that. So do these actors or performances have names, or they're just creatures?
Yeah. No, they have names.
Good names.
They have names.
Very nice names.
Yeah.
Good names.
Yeah, solid.
Okay, I've been polite so far, but I just have to say it as it is. But what are these names?
I have to say, Nikhil, it's been an honor partnering with Prime Video. You all have the most fantastic team, and we can't wait for Don't Be Shy to be on Prime Video for the world.
I see. You've truly mastered the art of being a seasoned producer already. Alia, because your answers seem beautifully independent of my questions for some reason.
Yes, Karan, because there is a way to launch actors.
And clearly I would know that, would I? I've never done something like that.
Well, what can I say? We've learned from the best, and the best have always taught us that there's a timing for everything.
Okay.
And speaking of timing, I think this would be a great time for a group photo, which would be incomplete without our co-producer Grishma Shah. So.
But before he comes in, I have a very important question to ask you. It's crucial and critical, and it's not on the script. Are they outsiders?
Yes.
I'm so proud of you. All right, okay. While the actors are kept under wraps then, I would like to introduce the team that made this happen. Please welcome their partner in crime on stage, Grishma Shah.
And I just wanted to say it's been such a pleasure to bring this movie to life. It's an incredibly sweet, beautiful movie. And I think it's going to connect with young audiences, not only in India, but across the world. We're absolutely delighted to partner with this lovely team of women creators. Thank you for bringing the movie to us, Alia.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Thank you. And without revealing much, you have already piqued everyone's attention. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Prime Video presents Don't Be Shy. Why don't we capture the moment with a lovely picture? Please.